Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to find the number of pairs of integers in a given array whose sum is equal to a given sum. So we input an array of integers and a number which we'll call sum. Our goal is to find the number of pairs of integers in this input array whose sum is equal to the number we are calling sum. Let's discuss this problem by taking an example. Let the input array have integers 1, 5, 7 and -1 and the sum be 6. Now we'll find manually all those pairs of integers whose sum would give us the answer 6. In this array, 1 and 5 gives 6. 1 and 7 gives an 8. So this pair is rejected. Likewise, 1 and -1, 5 and 7, and 5 and -1 are all rejected. The last pair, 7 and -1, also gives us a 6. So only the pairs 1, 5 and 7 -1 gives us the answer to be 6. And so finally, the number of pairs of integers in this given array whose sum is 6 are 2. Hence, our output is 2. The simplest solution to this problem is by traversing each element and check if there is another element in the array which can be added to it to get the given sum. Here is an implementation of the simple solution. Count is the total number of pairs whose addition would give us our desired sum. We initialize this count to 0. We run a loop through all the elements of the array, traversing each element and checking if there is another number in the array which can be added to give us sum. Every time we find such a pair, the count is incremented. When all the elements of the array have been traversed, the final count is returned. The time complexity for this solution is O of n square. A better solution for this problem is possible, for which the time complexity is O of n. The first step is to create a map of frequency of each number present in the array. This step involves single traversal of the array. In the next traversal, for each element, check if it can be combined with any other element, obviously other than itself, to give the desired sum. If so, increment the counter. After completion of second traversal, we'd have twice the required value stored in counter because every pair is counted 2 times. Hence, divide the counter by 2 and return. This would give us the number of pairs which on addition would give us the required sum. And at last, let us quickly look over the implementation of this problem. On a single traversal of the array, we get the frequency of each number in it and store it in a map M. In the next traversal, we check for every element in it that can be combined with any other element other than itself to give the desired sum. If so, we increment the count, that is twice count. Since every pair is counted twice, we divide the counter named twice count by 2 and get the desired count. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.